by Neil Cat. What is the buzzed retailer in Britain, Mars and Speaker? Sainsbury, perhaps, or Tesco, or on address. Cons. The Aswa is Richardson. I let now prettily owned should freeze retailer of heavy excrement which at 28 spawn in the UK. In the Guinness Book of Records, Richardson was trained on entry for the highest sales per square foot of any retailer in the UK. 17.000 for its story on London Bridge Evil in the city, event taking an average across all 28 stores. Richardson still slug up 5,780 miliar per square foot, 10 times more than Marks and Speaker, 6 times the sales experienced by Sainsbury. It is portable too. Sales are found its operating margin has shown from 3.4% on 2,989 to almost 13% today. Last year, Richardson made profit of more than 3 miliar on sales of almost 48 miliar. The main reason to sell is further manager, director, and 98% stockholder. Julian Richard, a 79-year-old lawyer, wrote a year of one for us to work and sell rentals during the energy crisis of 1974. I liftable blocky wore his blonde hair in ivory tailing and apparatus. From a small, converted Victorian vinegar factory in Bermondsey, as soon as London, he raps out his sales figures. Even when I was at school, I wanted to go into business. He said, about a major was against me. Poverty was out. I once all undergrad to skip a contract charm was out. I couldn't trap so into then to hippie which was teaching on at school. I bought a second hand Bank, and Olifant for 10. Edit it up and sold it for 22 in 1999 at the age of 19. He opened his first shop there on London Reading Road. Skin the Elite has taken is simple tram, razor school, restaurant, sell disgusting heavy from tiny basis soft with lot overhead. Stoop 24 is private and the company smells gives in flexibility to take advantage of daily offered by menu pasturan on the offline or surface arguments. The discourse has English reason to say the brain has a red zone to score instead of relatively this and indefinitely leading multivalence stock mainly the mass market volume selling media system which become popular in the English school iTunes and Apple. It about a year and of web pages which manufacture are having to of alert before the next cosmetically different model of face of Japan or small order of current model which perhaps because of stock management the manufacturer is forfeit to sell at reduced price now as manufacturer stocks control improves. The creator of stock expenses models of face are can to business with his quirky retailer probably lacks discount and comment have so many stories to unless your goods 500 of a model is not a worth her will fighting it in her distribution system. Say Cliffy Noven, sales and marketing director of AK with her you can do idea on marketing is AK relevant with some advertising regularly in radio, space, e-books, e-books, let speak at discount rates high and in outlet every month it products up to 350.000 copies of iBooks Fusang in the Let's office. The shop erected well in warehouse outside Brigade Bin, a town special office including audio test for 95 incident capacity. This player tuner and speaker. For leading names Short and Sony, I can Marty Aristotle for floor to a reading. If you haven't seen it, Kiefer will bet that first buyer of to a good service is our 40 at Charson staff are training to not to be fussy. They are time to training in Yorkshire where more station is found to plowing the constraint administrative producers if it's time heavy booster get icon to check the that they heavy head plugin is the excrement. Conversely, customer responsibility is called I perform number. They can deal it if they have a problem. Have a problem. Reads on name in office number are silent too. The emphasis is on fact. In if if it's raining, customer are given a fair umbrella and scammer they get chilly will a tempo of ice lolly. A traditional Egypt is plus makes a fish at Christmas and hot course a boost at Esther. We have a lot red side with don't take excuses seriously about we do tax our customer seriously. What is a leg roll at restaurant? Aswa, elite known virtually around 12 inches retailer of elite excrement with 20x sharp in the UK. How do they manage to sell so much frozen food? Aswa of any retailer in the UK 17% for its story on London voting in the 3. What makes that different from the competition? Competition. Aswa tram reason sell discussion heavy from tiny a basis with a low aggregate stock turnover is fine and the companies. For how many outlets do they operate? Every month, its products up to 350 ribuan. What types of product they sell? Aswa Isiden company displayer tuner and speaker from leading names Son, Isoni, Ike, and Marty. Marty are taken from power to scaling. Thank you, Sharon.